Alvin Dale Vergara Patrimonio, born November 17, 1966, is a Filipino retired professional basketball player from the Philippine Basketball Association and is the current team manager for the Magnolia Hot Shots. Patrimonio holds several PBA records, including most consecutive games played 596. Third most points scored in history, 15,091. Fourth most rebounds grabbed in history, more than 6,000, and second most PBA Most Valuable Player awards for, tied with Raymond Fernandez. He is also the second player after Boggs Adornado to win back-to-back MVP awards in 1993 and 1994, and also the second player to win 3 Best Player of the Conference award after Virgil Meneses. He also shares the distinction of having played the most Asian games with 1990 PBA MVP Alan Kading. He played his entire career with the Pure Foods franchise and won 5 championships, mostly in the All-Filipino Conference Championships. He also was a part of the 1998 Philippine Centennial team. Patrimonio currently lives in Cainta, Rizal, together with his wife, makeup artist Cindy Conway, and their 4 children Angelo, Christine, Clarice, and Asher. Angelo embarked on a career in local showbiz, but put it on hold to be able to finish his culinary arts degree at the College of St. Benilde in Manila. Christine, who both played with Clarice for the NU Bulldogs tennis team in the UAAP, is making her name in the local women's tennis circuit and is also looking into having a showbiz career. She was one of the former housemates of Pinoy Big Brother Unlimited. She is a commercial model, and her cream silk TVC was shown in April 2011. Clarice, on the other hand, has 2 international championships in tennis. Ranked 130th in the world of juniors tennis and turned professional in 2012, she won the women's division title in 34th PCA Open Tennis Championship on September 2015. Also, she took part in the national team for tennis in the 2015 SEA Games for women's singles category. Patrimonio has 1 grandson from Clarice, with her partner Ateneo de Manila University Blue Eagles center Joben Kemakolam. During his playing years in the PBA, Patrimonio found time to do movies. He first appeared as guest in the Mars Ravello classic Bondiing, which starred retired PBA player Jimmy Santos. Then he was launched together with Jerry Codinera and Paul Alvarez in the film Last 2 Minutes in 1990. The movie was a top grosser at the box office and spawned a sitcom of the same title aired over PTV. He was also paired with Maricel Soriano in the remake of the Robert Jaworski Nora Honor film Double Dribble in 1992 and did Tassia Fantasia opposite Krisa Guino in 1994. In 2009, Alvin once more tried the showbiz waters when he guest starred in the indie film Dala with actress Katrina Halili. Alvin Patrimonio earned the moniker the Captain due to his fierce leadership and dominating presence on the court. As the face of the Pure Foods franchise, he led his team to numerous championship victories, solidifying his place as one of the greatest players in Philippine basketball history. Beyond his on-court achievements, Patrimonio's philanthropy, international success, and induction into the Hall of Fame solidify his status as a role model and inspiration for aspiring athletes. Throughout his career, Alvin Patrimonio was awarded the prestigious PBA Most Valuable Player MVP award not just once, but an incredible 4 times. Known for his versatility on the court, Alvin Patrimonio showcased his prowess as both a power forward and center. His ability to dominate in the paint, grab rebounds, and score with finesse made him a formidable force to be reckoned with. Alvin Patrimonio achieved several scoring milestones throughout his career, including scoring over 15,000 points, ranking among the top scorers in the history of the Philippine Basketball Association (PBA). His ability to consistently put up high numbers made him an offensive powerhouse. In 1994, Alvin Patrimonio had the opportunity to showcase his skills on an international stage when he played for the Sacramento Kings in the NBA. Although his stint was relatively short, it highlighted his talent and cemented his status as an elite player. Alvin Patrimonio represented the Philippines in various international competitions like the Asian Games and the Southeast Asian Games, bringing pride to the country with his exceptional performances. He played a crucial role in securing podium finish for the national team. Beyond his achievements on the basketball court, Alvin Patrimonio has also been actively involved in philanthropic endeavors. He has used his influence and resources to give back to the community, supporting charitable initiatives and advocating for underprivileged children. In recognition of his exceptional contributions to Philippine basketball, Alvin Patrimonio was inducted into the prestigious Philippine Basketball Association Hall of Fame. Alvin Patrimonio has served as a role model and inspiration to aspiring basketball players, not just in the Philippines, but around the world. His dedication, work ethic, and passion for the game continue to motivate young athletes to strive for greatness. Alvin Patrimonio's legacy extends far beyond his playing days. Even after retiring from professional basketball, he remains a respected figure in the sport, an ambassador for Philippine basketball, and a household name that will forever be associated with greatness. Alvin Patrimonio is undeniably a fascinating figure in the world of sports and entertainment. With a remarkable basketball career and a charismatic personality, he has captured the hearts of many fans. From his humble beginnings to his numerous accolades, Patrimonio's journey is one of determination, talent, and resilience. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 Vlogs.